I think first of all, so it's basically, as you know, that there's a lot of concern, public concern. We read also that many people are becoming prey to frauds, cyber frauds, in which a lot of cloning of apps happen. You know, the people are taken to some similar looking apps of the brokers or through WhatsApp, and the people then are able to investing that money thinking that they are actually investing in with the registered brokers, but they are actually not. They are being just taken to this, and a huge amount of money many of the people have lost. And these complaints do also come to us where basically it's a police action, the cyber crime, and then it goes through the cyber helpline, 1930, and it has to go through that action, but the money is transmitted very, very fast from one bank account to another. The people are really losing. We have to find out some systemic solutions to it, because we have, as you know, that we have 130 million unique investors now, and a lot of new investors are coming, and we needed a system where, at least on the securities market, if the people are investing, they should invest through a meta where they are able to know systemically whether they are really investing in the right one. Now, some of the steps which have already been taken is, one is that whitelisting of apps, which have already been whitelisted apps are there in exchanges sites, and one we are going forward, we will be working with the Play Store and other both iOS and Android to see that they are properly validated apps are only displayed, and that work is on. That verified status, that work is on, and very soon I think we should be able to also again inform you on that issue. I am not today in particular highlighting that. We are basically highlighting the issue that we are going to have on a much wider systemic scale, which is the payment system itself, where we are bringing in a new UPI within the UPI system, and you have seen how it will help in knowing, for you to know, and you can check up on any bank account whether it is a bank account of a registered inventory, either broker or mutual fund. You should be able to check it. So this would be very handy, and going forward, as we will see, it will be implemented from 1st of October.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.